Welcome to this Decentraweb tutorial. Now, before we start getting a top-level domain or minting a subdomain or staking our domains or doing any of that, we need to have a Web3 wallet set up. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to get MetaMask set up on Google Chrome. Let's jump right into it. Here we are at MetaMask.io. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we are at the correct web address. So MetaMask.io, that looks correct. And we're going to come down the web page and go to Download for Chrome. This takes us to the Chrome Web Store. And we know that this is the correct MetaMask because we see that there are 10 million users who have downloaded it. So we know that that's the correct one. Let's add it to Chrome and we'll click Add Extension. Wonderful. Now we have MetaMask installed. Now what we're going to do next is click this little puzzle piece in the top right corner and click the pin to pin it there. So now we always have access to MetaMask. Now let's click Get Started. It's up to you if you want to allow MetaMask to collect analytics data. We're going to click No Thanks. Now we have a couple options here. So this is if we already have a secret recovery phrase. This is what you would use if you are importing a wallet, maybe a mobile wallet or something like that. But what we will do is create a new wallet. Now I highly recommend using a password generator for this, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to paste the password that was randomly generated, accept the terms of use, and create. Next, MetaMask pops up a little video to teach us about our secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase is extremely important, so I highly suggest watching this video if you are new to this, but we are going to click Next. And this takes us to this site where it will show us our secret recovery phrase. Now, when you click this, it shows you the 12 words which comprise your secret recovery phrase. I have these blurred out still so that no one who watches this video uses this one, even though I won't actually be using this one. Now we need to save these, write them down on a couple pieces of paper. What MetaMask recommends is to write these down on multiple pieces of paper and store them in separate locations. So that is also very recommended. Let's click Next. And now what we need to do is to confirm our secret recovery phrase by clicking these words in the exact order that it showed us on the previous screen. So I will do that very quickly. Once we have done that, we will click Confirm down here. Now, again, you want to make sure that you keep those 12 words very secure. Do not take screenshots of them. Do not take a picture of it on your phone or anything like that. If someone gains access to your 12-word recovery phrase, they have complete access to your wallet. So please keep that in mind. Let's click All Done. And our wallet is set up. I'm Josh Cross from Coin Academy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.